got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be installing this fender liner. So you can either take off your tires or your tire, or you can do without. It's going to be a tight room to work around, but it's not impossible. So first thing is we'll just insert it inside and then start clipping it. So we have these clips that will go here all the way down. This one slides inside the fender on top, and then a clip here all the way down, and then we bolt that one inside the front bumper cover. So for this you need this set of clips. If you don't have the clips, the link to these clips will be in the description, check it out. But if you do have the clips, so you just reuse them if they're not broken. But these clips are kind of flimsy, so the moment you take them off they break. So let's do this.
You've been there from the start, inside my corner, yeah. When it gets cold and dark, you make it warmer. 'Cause you are on my mind, all of my days and every single night, There ain't no way to get you off my mind, Without you I just can't breathe, you never get away. 'Cause you are on my mind, all of my days and every single night, There ain't no way to get you off my mind.
So once you have it inside, make sure it just insert it into, line it up, and then on the front over here you just need to insert it inside the front bumper. So lift the bumper, put it inside. So you can start with this one that clips to the fender. This one just slides inside.
I just can't breathe, you never get away from me. 'Cause you are on my mind.
And then you can go around. And then you can grab your clips and start clipping them. So make sure it goes inside this piece over there. Then once you have it lined up, you can start entering the clips in whatever order. You can start from this side, go all the way up down there, or you can start from that side coming upwards to this side. So it doesn't matter whatever order, so you can start from this side. Get a set that works for you. So for those bigger places you can grab a bigger clip. That's how you clip it. If it doesn't hold it, grab a bigger one. So you also have this to take out the clip. And then then we'll do underneath the car. We have a few more spots. Do it. If you enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Check the link in the description for where you can find the clips and the fender liner if yours is damaged, and see you on the next one.